These Shimano brakes are the only thing stopping my 3000 watt e-bike from 90km speeds. Yes, you heard that right, ladies and gentlemen. I'm installing MT410 on my rear brake and MT210 on my front brake. I'm going to show you the easiest and most simple way to install it on any bike, conversion kit, whatever. Let's get straight into it. Some riders really overcomplicate how to install brakes like MT200s and other hydraulic brakes, but I'm just going to give you the easiest, most simple way. Right here, I've got my MT200 lever. I've also got some little bits and bobs that we'll be using later in this video. Same with the MT410, same bits and pieces. Anybody that's new here, if you haven't been following along, I'm building the cleanest 3kW e-bike conversion kit. All the parts, or 2 out of 3 of the parts, are out on my channel now, so please go watch those before you watch any other videos. Let's get straight into it, guys. Alright everybody, so everything I'm going to be needing for both brakes. So I'm actually going to do the MT200 first. Got my MT200 fully equipped, ready to go, the caliper. Your new brake should have like just a stopper in there to stop the actual pistons from closing. The 2 bolts to mount, pair of Allen keys, and if you are doing bigger rotors like 203mm rotors like this one, you will need an adapter as well. So, but if you're not using bigger rotors like me, then completely ignore that step. But yeah, that's all you're gonna need. Step 1, everybody, let's slide the MT200 front lever onto the right side of my handlebars, just like that, nicely. And just like that, everybody, the MT200 lever's on, and I've actually cleanly routed it behind my plate and down to where you have to mount it down there. So let's get to that. So guys, if you're not using 203mm rotors, you can just use these 2 bolts and bolts the MT200 caliper straight into your frame on your forks there. But if you are, grab yourself an adapter and I'll show you just how to mount this quickly now. So yeah guys, the easiest and most professional way to do it without actually getting a professional is to flip the bike over just like this, and then get your adapter if you're using one for 203mm rotors. And yeah, just bolt it right in there, and then there should be 2 other holes for the caliper itself. Now, next, to put on the wheel and actually give it a test. Brake MT200 is on my this side, and yeah, it is quite nice actually. Guys, so the MT410 right here, a little bit different actually. It's got no hose connected. It is quite normal with the higher level brakes, but with this hose, basically what it comes like this is so you can actually route it for your frame through this hole and down to your bracket here. So yeah, it's not a big deal, just do it and I'll show you how to connect it afterwards. Hey everybody, now I have my rear brake lever cable. I'm going up here and then down the frame, and then the other side just the caliper ready to be mounted down here. So nice and neat, and yeah, now we just need to connect the 2.